So I started recording. 1 second. Okay. So record started. Guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So we'll see issues in a basic computer related, hardware related issues. What happened? So which is why it is open suddenly? PC related issues or a computer related issue, computer, PC, system, basic hardware related issues. Hardware related, OS related, hardware related, PC related. That's it. It's a PC related. I said PC related. Okay, not hardware related or computer related. Okay, so issues related to the computer. So for example, first one, system or PC, whatever the name is, it system not starting. Not starting. You press the power button and nothing. Okay, so what it is? You press power button. No response, nothing. You don't see anything. Okay, next. Next, you press power button. Power LED glows, but nothing on screen. Nothing on the screen. First one. Okay, and no HDD LED. No HDD LED. Keyboard LED. Glow. What is that point? Okay. You press the power button, nothing is happened, no LED, nothing at all. So most possible it is power connection related issue. Okay, so first case is the system is not starting. System is not starting. So first in that one, in sub one, is you press the power button. You cannot see anything, no LED blinking, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Meaning is power connection related issues. Okay, so you know there is a joke like one person is called a technician, so he's asking my system is not working, what to do, what are all kind of stuff. So he suggested press the power button. There is a big button, you can press it. Check the backside power cable, open the cabinet. All troubleshooting is completed. And finally ask like check the just unplug and plug it. Okay, so it is too dark here. Means why it is too dark means it's a no power since morning. Okay, so that is what happened. It is you have to check the power connection is there or not. Main power supply requirement is there, of course. Okay, and the cable connection, so cable to system. If it is a laptop, battery is very important part, right? So battery charging, charger connection, make sure fully charged or at least 50% charged minimum you should operate. Guys, this is another suggestion. When your laptop charge goes less than 50%, goes down, actually goes down. So when you are operating on a battery, the battery, okay, so laptop charge means laptop battery, meaning is, it is here, it is my meaning is battery goes down less than 50%. So what to do? Compulsory charge. So here it is. I will change the, I rephrasing the sentence. Make sure your laptop or battery never goes to down to less than 50%. Yes, lot of people think about a battery of a laptop, okay, or a mobile phone. So we have intellectuals, but people who are the very intelligent people are there. That's the problem. Intelligent, no intelligence, very stupid people are there. That is also okay, no problem. So completely not a single point of intellectual people also not there. So not at all a problem with them. So nowadays problem is always like a very intelligent people, like they know everything kind of people. Okay, that is a very big problem we are facing. Okay, so here it is. I'm also worked in after my diploma also I worked in one organization. There I found is a TV technician actually. So he deal with all kind of components including the batteries and all. Okay, so I learned so what is happening to the battery cycles and all a little bit. And I don't have more knowledge, but as my knowledge is, look at here. Battery is charges, right, 100%. Make sure that battery is always full charge. It never goes to our charge because the charger is having a stop circuit, means it's a potential difference is done when it is reach the fully charged part. Okay, so there is no reverse back, no reverse kind of stuff, no keep pushing kind of stuff. Only keep pushing is only when you are using a very high level amp rating charger and low level battery. Low level battery, for example, you have a 12 volts battery with 1 amp and you put a 5 amp charger, then there is a difference, right? So that is mechanically that is different point. So means people who are working on a battery works wantedly put a very high battery because faster charging. In our laptop related charger only we are purchasing, right? So we are getting a laptop charger with a laptop only, so no problem in that one. Okay, so here it is. Again, make sure that, so people think so like a battery should be dry, means 100% fully charged and keep working. So make sure it is like it is go to 10%, 5%, 0%. If it is completely dry, then put a charge. It will give you more battery. No, guys, that is completely wrong. I hope you understand. Okay, you put a charging. Okay. So here it is. It's a completely charged. Okay. So for example, here it is. No. There is something brushes are there now. This I will take. See, this is battery, right? So this is full battery. So you think it is a better to go for a 0%. This is a 0%. This is 100%. Okay. So you think better to make it 0%. Better to make it a 0% or a nearest to the 0%. Lightly charge. Now you put a charging. You put a charger. What happened? It is the battery is empty. You put a charge. But how much ampere rating it is? It is higher or lower? So battery don't mind about it. So battery, of course, it try to withdraw more current from your charger. More current means it trying to take more because it is very hungry. So then it want to eat more, right? So like that. So that's the feeling it is there. Okay. So most of the time means not always. I'm telling most of the time. What happened? This fast flow of electrons, it causes heat. It causes heat. Okay. So your battery will get heated. The heat of the battery, which is directly connected to your laptop or mobile phones also inside a battery is there. So what happened? The battery heat damages laptop or a mobile phone components. Heat got damages the components. It weakens the soldering of the components. It weakens the soldering of the components. Soldering there are inside. Okay. It weakens the performance of the components. So what happened? The small damage will occur. That damage will make a more impact. Okay. So in a while you are going long, so there is a motherboard related issues are comes. Motherboard related issue is there only because of maybe one of the reason is your battery also. Okay. So battery technology is very important. Our battery is overheated and the battery is become dead again. Okay. So that battery cells part will be damaged. It may not work again. Again you have to replace the battery. Sometimes it damages your charger also. Okay, you are putting a charger, your laptop charger is there now, it damages this laptop charger, it damages if possible laptop chargers, batteries, your laptop motherboard or any other components on a motherboard. Display connections, small units, small sensitive units will be there. Okay, so that anything can be easily damaged. So this is what will happen here. Okay. Now I'm not saying always you should put a charger and use it, guys. This is also troubleshooting techniques and maintenance techniques. Look at here. I'm using 100% charge here. So morning only I put a charge and start my system because morning I have to get ready, I have to log in and then get ready. I have to do some work and come back and start classes. Right. Meantime, it will goes for a sleep mode if I don't use for a thing. So and sometimes if I don't check it, battery goes down. Sometimes power cut issues, not sometimes, most of the time I got a power cut issues. So in a power cut issues, what happens? My battery already 50%. Now power cut. Then what happened? Within another 15-20 minutes, it goes 25 and then it goes to 0. That's the power, right? So what I have to do? So then I always put a thing because continuously I'm running system. Continuously. Okay. So that is the point. So I put a always and heavy work I will do normally like a programming or a virtual machines or a installation of Windows machines like these are all VMware kind of related. I will keep doing. So that is a lengthy and heavy duty work. So the point number one is when you do point number one is when you do any lengthy how to put a length I put a understand so length in the program or work or a heavy work. Okay, you are doing some programming or working on system lengthy continuous work or heavy work you are doing, heavy work, put charger and use. Compulsory put charge and use it. You have to use a computer for a 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Use charging. You want to use for 15-20 minutes, no problem. But you should use you start a laptop and you want to use it for a 4 hours, 5 hours. Put a charging and start using it. That's the first important. Don't wait like no problem. Once it is go for a 20%, I will search for a charger and all. Guys, it damages your system because when your system is running, it produces heat. Your system means your laptop produces heat, and your battery is down and you put a charge. Battery produces heat. The heat plus heat, it becomes mega heat. Okay, it is more burden on your system. It is trying to cool down. So that is, again, people are using a different type of fans structure. Okay, outside cool air, nothing will happen to your system. So how many fans you put it to your laptop, that never cools. You have to give the space for a system cooling. So that is a thing. Okay, you have a laptop, so the laptop in the bottom and sides, you have to give gaps. Okay, that is the first important. Okay, better to use laptops in a AC rooms, that is a different point. Okay, so but natural point, it is laptop maintenance is also very important. So I'm talking on a battery, so we'll come back to the battery model. Okay, like this. This is one more important point. Okay, if in case your battery already came to 50%, you are not using any fully charged, you just started a laptop and you are using after 1 hour like that, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, the battery is 50%, 49%, immediately put a charging. Okay, that's the first point I have written here. So immediately put a charge. Don't wait for 20%, 10% kind of stuff, guys. Already I told, if it is battery goes lesser the charge, you put a charging, battery produce more heat. That is the problem. Okay, so and also it causes damage the charger, damage the battery, it damages your circuit boards. Okay, so that is the first point. Okay, the second point is, if you are doing any lengthy work or a program or heavy works, compulsory put a charge. You are watching a video, compulsory put charging, because display on condition, or you're running a YouTube videos, compulsory charging. Why? Because of one video is completed, next video will play. A lengthy video, it will the display consumes more power. Display consumes more power than a system. Your entire laptop and entire mobile phone, entire tablet, the most power consumption thing is your display only. In our entire body, most power consumption is eyes. Again, display related only. Display shows the things, eyes see the things. Okay, so what are for a looking purpose only, right? So point is not cam. I'm saying about eyes will, if you keep open your eyes and keep seeing things, like it is, your energy will be drawn. If you run for 5 kilometers, that much energy you don't selling. Okay, so eyes will withdraw a lot of energies. Same as your batteries. You watch a video or play a game in mobile phone for 1 hour and check the battery thing. And if you talk in a phone for 4 hours, check the battery thing. So that's a lot of differences there. Okay, the display will consume more charge. Okay, guys, this is another two maintenance things. One is always keep your battery charged more than 50% generally. Okay, if it is goes like you forget to put a charge, it goes less than 50%, immediately put a charge. Don't wait for a 20. Okay, power is not there, very work important, power may come in 10 minutes, no problem. So that time, you prefer more work for something. and close any background application. So consumption of battery will be reduced. Okay, background application, unnecessary application, close it. So consumption of battery will be reduced because processor don't require more power. So power consumption will be reduced. Reduce the brightness. Reduce the brightness. So power consumption will be reduced. Okay, that is another point. So when you go, so compulsory, these 2 points added here. Okay. Yeah, again we'll come back. PC is not starting, nothing is happened because of the power connection. Maybe outside power connection, main power connection, SMPS. SMPS. So what is the causes here? Main power. Okay. Main power connection. Main power connection. Main power column, power or power connection, anything, switches or anything. So main power connection, SMPS. Okay, SMPS related issues. Okay, SMPS power button related issues. Sometimes power button also not working, not connected proper. Okay, either connecting or not working. Okay, so power button sometimes it is damages, not working or not connected to motherboard and panel connection, right? SMPS, you have to check SMPS fan. Okay, and SMPS, if you look at the how SMPS is there, this is different PPT, right? So SMPS. Okay, this is circuit diagram SMPS. We don't want switch mode power supply, guys. SMPS meaning is, can you see this is the fan, the outside fan. So when SMPS on, fan runs. Very simple thing. Okay, running. It means system running. System getting power. There is some issue. Okay, system is getting power, but some issues. Okay, so SMPS fan running is important. Okay, main power supply. Check the yeah, you have to check the power connection. Okay. So power button column, SMPS column, main power column is also there. You press the power button, nothing happened scenario. You press the power button, power LED glows, but nothing on a screen. No hard disk LED or a keyboard LEDs are not blinking. Okay. So what is the most cause? It is a nothing but a post failure. What is post? Power on. Self test. It is a post failure. So what are the possibility of post failure things? One is RAM, because the RAM is a loose connecting thing. Okay, loose connection, not connected, failed. Okay, incompatible. Compatible. Incompatible. Post failure, RAM related issues, CPU power connection. Okay, CPU power connected related issues. Any other device failure, device failures possible, motherboard related. Okay, Any motherboard related device failure, chipset failure, anything possibility is there. Mostly post errors. So you have to find why it is there. Okay. There is a post codes are there, guys. Look at here. Yesterday I already told, if post is successful, one of the indication is single beep. So in a BIOS, I told post is successful, single failure, but post fails. Okay, different beep sounds are there. So you will get a continuous beep, two beeps. Okay, okay. Different type of beeps also there. Continuous beeps are there. Only two beeps, only three beeps. Or we can say the some different intervals. Okay, some interval type beep kind of stuff is there. So it indicates, beeps indicate, beeps indicate. Okay, so beeps indicate what we can say. Beeps indicate post status. Meaning is device function status. Make sure every device is working good or not. Okay, so continuous beeps are there, two beeps are there, some interval of deep beeps are there. So you have to go to okay. Thing is, for a beep sounds, check the BIOS. I mean, check the BIOS related menu, company documents, BIOS. Um, Company related documents. Company documents. For example, Dell company is there, Dell BIOS is there, or maybe HP BIOS is there, maybe Phoenix BIOS is there, AMI BIOS is there, Adward BIOS is there. So go to the BIOS and check what is the meaning of this beep sound, so we can understand what is the failure in a things. Okay, so that's a post beep sounds indicates post status, and the device function status means what is this particular device problem is there. Okay, next one is use postcard to know post status. There is a postcard is there, so I will show you that how it is. There is a postcard to know the post status. So what is a post status is so we will know what is issue. We'll know what is issue. So look at here, it is, guys, post card. PC. You can purchase it for yourself, but I don't know how much use it. Yeah, like this. These are the postcards. Okay, different type of postcards are there, right? See, these are the postcards. Generally, what to do? You have to take this postcard and insert into computer PC. I slot is there. Insert inside a PC only. We have to insert it and then start your computer. So based on what kind of failure it can be a RAM failure, it can be a RAM incompatibility, it can be a processor related issues, it can be power related distribution issues, or it can be something like um, uh, what we can say, it can be chipset related issues, okay, motherboard related issues. So we can understand from these post numbers. Somewhere you can see the LED blinking. So like that, maybe if you see a induction related induction stoves kind of stuff, if you don't put anything, you start induction, but you didn't put anything, so it will show some type of errors. So we'll understand what is happened. It is a internal damage, or maybe externally you are not putting some vessel incompatibilities is there, or maybe some like a low power kind of stuff will indicate, right? So like that, this is the postcard we have to insert into the motherboard, okay, into PCS slots. So then this shows like that, like this. You have to insert it, so it will shows error like this. So it is showing 2525. It's an example it is showing. Okay, like this you have to insert. He is inserting. See, it's showing some error. Okay, like this. It's all zeros. Okay, like this. So the person will understand what is the exact issue of this one. Is a motherboard is good? Is a component failure? What type of component it is? Okay, what is the possible component it is? Will understand. So you can use a postcard to know what is the post status or a motherboard, and what is the issue, you will get it. So we can troubleshoot according to guys. Again, system is not powering on, it is a power related issue, but system is power on, LED is glowing, but nothing on your screen. There is a lot of possibility it is it's a post failure, mainly it is RAM loose connection. If RAM loose connection, last class I told RAM loose connection kind of stuff. So when you got this kind of post failure, remove the RAM, remove the cabinet, remove all the power connections, remove direct physically connected, not only switch off guys. You know, don't know, in a main power supplies, even you switch off the points having a power. Maybe you may feel shock or not, but there is a power inside. Phase neutral is there. For a phase, people put a switch. So you are switch off the only phase, not neutral. Neutral having some energy. Like you are getting 220 volts. For example, your phase is getting 240 volts. Neutral is 20 volts. Okay, so 240 minus 20, so it become a 220 volts. So I'm giving one example. I've seen that kind of phase neutral kind of stuff also in so many years back, because in a certain places we don't have a ground connection is not proper. In that one it is very dangerous. You know, some people leave their kids, so they'll put their fingers in these power things. Okay, so you know, people think so yeah, it is a switch off, no problem. It is safe, but still not at all completely safe switch off condition also. Okay, that's why you have to remove the physical power cord also. And now, so open the cabinet, remove the RAM, and reinsert the RAM and try it. First one is RAM loose connection related issues. In this issue, remove RAM, reconnect, or remove RAM, clean, correct. and RAM. Okay, clean that and set back. Okay, that is the thing. Next one is cross check. Other system with our other RAM kind of stuff, cross check the RAM. Okay, make sure it is RAM is working. CPU problem may be there, or CPU power connection problem will be there. So that's why CPU is not working kind of stuff. So possibility. This is also same thing. Remove the CPU and connect it. So mainly RAM, we concentrate on RAM in a post values generally, but it is not always a RAM. So you don't know what is happened. You check the RAM, but still you don't know what is happened. Still not working. So then you have to go to beep. Normally, post successful indicates single beep sound. In a different beeps, it will generate it like a continuous beep, single beep, interval of certain different interval beeps are there. It depends upon your BIOS chip, the intervals it indicates. But still, normal person are always we cannot able to guess what exactly happened to our system. So what it is, we can use a postcards, insert a postcard and start a computer. So you will find there is some kind of issues by indication of postcard numbers or letters. What are the indication in the postcards? So search in the manual. Okay. So search in the manual, you will find what is the issues. No, what is issue? You have to take troubleshooting according to it. For example, there is a on motherboard chipset problem. So what to do? Maybe you replace the chip, or maybe you throw that motherboard and buy a new one. Okay, so depends. Like depends upon cost of motherboard, cost of chip. Okay, your motherboard is a 5,000 rupees, and there is a one chipset is not working. You know that one. Now you take it and to shop and you said, please remove this chip and reinsert the new chip. The guy said it will be 8,000 rupees. Your motherboard is 5,000 and replacement is 8,000. What you will do? You know, you use a mobile phone for 3-4 years and your display gone. You went to the shop. You're asking, it is a 4,000 rupees for a replacing thing. You said 4 years back or 3 years back, I purchased this for a 10,000 or a 12,000. It is a world mobile. You are asking you to replace the display for a it is 3,000, 4,000 rupees. If I put another 5,000, so then I can buy a new one. Why should I use the old one with the plus repairing? It may work for another 6 months maximum. Okay, so it depends upon thing. Okay, but whatever it is, guys, I think you hopefully understand three things I told now. One is basically system is not power on. What is the issue? Post failure related issue. You press the power button, power LED is there, but nothing on a system. Okay, understand post related issues, guys. Are confused? Battery related issues. Okay. So these are hardware based related issues. Yesterday I told about boot processing. In that one, post related issues. Okay, after post boot related issues also we discuss. That is also we'll see that one. Okay, so in general, if RAM is failure, already I told on the system it's a blank screen. Keyboard LEDs not blinks. Okay, this indicates post failure. Now post is successful. Post is successful. This is the next indication. Unable to find boot disk or a bootable drive. Bootable drive. So what is this? You power on. After powering on screen display, you power on the system. You power on the system. On screen, it is showing unable to find bootable drive. Means post is successful. Post is successful. So you need to do. You no need to do how to check the power connection, how to check the network connection, how to check the internal button connections. Not required, right? So only it is system is working good. Only thing is it cannot able to boot, means no OS related devices. No OS related devices. Okay. First of all, basically maybe it is a fresh PC. Fresh PC without voice. Meaning is without voice PC. Fresh means not a new, not only new PC, it can be a old PC, but there is no voice. PC don't have any voice. In that cases also it will show this kind of error. Next, basically voice in the hard disk, right? So the hard disk not working or not connected, not at all connected, not connected, not working kind of stuff. So hard disk is not working, or it is not connected. Unable to find bootable devices. Next, bootloader. In our case, boot MGR corrupted. Okay, bootable partitions. Okay, OS drive. OS in the C drive, right? So usually like a C drive. Corrupted or damaged. You can use damaged. Corrupted or damaged or deleted. There is another possibility. Deleted. Okay. This is important. If in case of fresh PC you are installing OS, so the OS source is not proper. Okay, again you are installing a OS, installing OS. That time you are getting this problem. Okay, that time we are installing operating system. That time we are getting means the which OS source device. OS installation drive. Not connected or not working. So there is a lot of issues are there. So this is basically you power on a system on screen, you're unable to find bootable drive. It is showing unable to find bootable drive kind of stuff. You can try here, unable to find bootable disk. Okay, like this it will show boot device not found. Boot device not found or unable to find bootable device. This kind of errors you will get it. Okay, this kind of errors you will get it. So this error meaning is most probably device is corrupted. Okay, next. Guys, understanding? No one is saying anything. Even for that one. Are totally confused. Or totally we are disconnected. There is another possibility is also there. Some people left also. Okay. What we can do. Guys, people already left. So now maybe next time I will tell again. But again, currently I'm telling one thing. So please share to your friends also. Guys, please don't disconnect like that. Be active. Keep interactive mode. If you are interactive mode, I can give you more energy. Okay, I get more energy. I will tell better way. If you don't understand, also you can talk. No problem. We are not scoring anything. We are not scolding you anything. Okay, it is not your academic colleges. In academic colleges, schools, attendance is a very important because I am also studying in a colleges. I know the power of attendance. Lectures are gods because if you don't respect the lecture, like you have to stand, or if you don't do their work, if you don't do their labs, okay, they will fail either lab or exam or anything. Here it is not happen. If you ask a question, you question the respect means different way. In a college way, respect is different. Okay, so in a college, you ask a question, you are disrespect. You ask a lecturer like what is this? I don't understand this formula. Please tell me again. So he will tell you like you are a useless fellow. Okay, so that is a college way because college it's a lot of people they cannot handle everyone. So that they can't handle always a queries also. If you don't understand, they don't tell again. Okay, so first of all, second one is if you keep putting like that, you are asking questions. He will tell I will fail in this particular lab or kind of stuff. Okay, but here it is a different, guys. This class is for you only. I have to train you. That is your duty is to get trained. Not my train, no, not my duty. My duty is only to give information. Your duty is to learn, understand, asking questions, getting information is your duty. Okay, you guys are always already forget what is your duty. You don't know. I think you don't know about that part. Okay, because still you are in academy mode. I'm telling it is what is your basic duty here. Understand, learn, asking questions, get more information, make it more clarity, be practice, and better, make it better than yesterday. Okay, what is the development means? We are better than yesterday. That is the development, not comparing with others. Like in India, we said like right. So we are developing country, not developed country. So what is the meaning of developed country? No one knows. What is development? People don't know anything. Okay. So what is the better than yesterday? That is very important. Yes, what you learn, practice, keep doing it, keep remembering, keep practice how to speak in interview. That is a very important. How to pass in that version test. Okay. How to speak at interview. Okay. Communicate with your trainers, either me or Sudeshna madam. So then we can give you more interestingly information. Okay, if you are completely silent means I no need to take the class, right? So simply I'll sit for a 1 hour 2 hours. I will make a video and send it. Like last time I sent a one video, right? Yesterday last Saturday I told no, please watch the domain and work group. So like that I have a lot already videos are there. I can tell. Plus this particular class, troubleshooting class, and never taken as earlier for any batch. For your batch only I'm taking. Okay, so that's the first point. The second point is I'm trying to say is never quit from the class until unless if you have some urgent work, some disconnection, or maybe there is a really a problem is there, that to inform us in the group. Okay, put it in a you have a WhatsApp group. What for what purpose it is? Okay, so put a information in this group. Okay, if you why you are unable to attend, so put in a group, don't send in a personal. If you put in a group, so both madam will understand, others will understand, Revan sir will understand, so you are unable to attend. So that is the main important point. Okay, still no one is speaking. Either I am connected or disconnected also, I don't know. Only 9 members. So really, I'm very interestingly, I'm telling this one. Guys, are you able to hear at least?
Yes, sir.
Then why people are not telling anything? Do not think someone will respond. Like me, I will always think, okay, someone will respond. Why should I respond now? Okay, do not think like that, guys. Be active. Try to speak. That's it. Okay, no one is calling you. No one will decrease your marks here. College is always is about how to control the student. This is a training, not a college. Won't give you any certificate for a training also. Okay, so only we are giving information for your understanding and development and for interview purpose and work related purpose. That's why I'm telling all these scenarios. Okay, here it is that point. Okay, I will stop here. I want to tell something, but mind is not connecting to what is the next point. Yeah, there's basically 3 points here, guys, in the basic hardware part. One is not starting. It is started, but not nothing on a screen. Third one is something on a screen, but what is the screen? Unable to find bootable disk. Boot MGR missing. Boot MGR missing. That is another one. On screen, on the screen, you are getting boot MGR missing. Boot MGR missing. Same thing. So OS is corrupted. One is possible. OS is corrupted. Disk failure possible. Disk failure. Only boot MGR file is missing or corrupted in OS drive. Meaning is in C drive. Okay, there is a possible scenario. Disk failure, OS is corrupted, and this kind of stuff. What to do? Copy delete old boot mgr file in C drive. Replace with a new mgr file from DVD drive. Okay, this is a very old technique. If you are in a Windows 7, if you are in a Windows 7, this is a basically old technique we are connecting. So how to replace? There is a one more is there. So connect, insert OS boot device. How to insert a boot device? First of all, either it is your USB drive or a DVD. Go to repair mode. To repair option. Command. Okay. So then copy boot mgr. That is one important thing. Okay. So in generally Windows 7, but in a Windows 10, in routing, to repair if possible. Advanced startup, troubleshooting. Startup, repair. Also you can do here as Windows 7 also you can able to do it, you can replace it also. Okay, so this is boot mgr missing kind of stuff. Next one is OS related issues are there, guys. OS related, service related, network related issues are there. So after break we are going to see what is BSOD, blue screen of death, incompatibility related issues. Okay, blue screen of death we'll see, and we also see what is the safe mode and service registry related issues, how to troubleshoot with the registry. So today, so we're all discuss about a hardware and operating system related issues. Okay, hardware and operating system related issues we'll see. Tomorrow we'll see about a networking related issues. We'll try it networking related. Okay, so take a break, guys. Take a 10-15 minutes break. So we'll be back at 12:15. Okay. Tell your friends to join immediately by 12:15 if in case